All right. Yesterday we had studied about the reactions of double displacement. That concept is clear. I hope everybody understood that. Now we are going to start a separate topic. That is what is one of the most important reactions. What we call it as redox reactions. Redox. It is split into two, that is reduction and oxidation. Now, redox chemical reactions are split into two, that is reduction and oxidation. Written? Okay, now what is reduction? Write it down this way. Reduction is a reaction in which addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen or addition of electrons. Three things. What are they known as? Addition of hydrogen in a chemical reaction can be called as reduction, removal of oxygen or addition of electrons. This is what we call it as reduction. Now the next one is oxidation, is defined as just opposite of that. That is addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen or removal of electrons. Addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen or removal of electrons can be taken it as oxidation. Now a chemical reaction, if it has got reduction, it will also be having oxidation. That is why we say that it can have both. Don't just think that only reduction will be taking place. Any reaction, if it is having some sort of reduction, then it will also get oxidized also. Two things are simultaneously taking place. For example, I will take some examples of this one. Let us understand with the case of addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen and etc. This is highly used in metal industry when copper oxide is made to heat it with hydrogen. CuO plus hydrogen, that means when hydrogen is passed through the copper oxide, this is copper A plus H2O is formed. Now what is actually taking place? From copper oxide, oxygen is being removed, and the removal of oxygen is known as reduction. So we can say copper oxide is reduced, and this oxygen which is reduced is being going to the hydrogen. So in the product side, the hydrogen has got water, oxygen along with it. So we can say hydrogen is oxidized. So what you must understand it is, in case the question is asked what is being oxidized and what is reduced, you must say that from which reactant to what product. Remember that. Which reactant to what product. For example, copper oxide, from which when oxygen is lost, it is getting converted into copper. So loss of oxygen is known as reduction. So what we say, copper oxide is reduced to copper, and the oxygen which is lost is taken away by hydrogen. So when hydrogen, to this hydrogen when oxygen is added, we get water. So we can say hydrogen is oxidized to H2O. So from the reactant to the product you must mention it. That is what we say redox. This is on account of examples with the release of regarding hydrogen and oxygen. One more example. When H2S combines with SO2, we will be getting H2O plus S. When you have it the reaction balance 1, so 2H2S plus SO2 will be giving this one 3H2O. Balancing, let us take out H2S plus SO2 will be giving H2O plus S. Now in this reaction what has happened? H2S has got sulfur, hydrogen in it. When hydrogen is lost from this H2S, it is getting converted into sulfur. So what we can say, H2S, loss of hydrogen is known as oxidation. So H2S is oxidized to sulfur. Clear? Now from sulfur dioxide, if oxygen is lost, then this is also getting converted into sulfur. So we can say loss of oxygen is known as reduction. So sulfur dioxide is reduced to sulfur. Clear? H2S from which hydrogen is lost. Loss of hydrogen will produce sulfur. So loss of hydrogen is known as oxidation, and this one is loss of oxygen is known as reduction. So H2S is oxidized to sulfur. SO2 is also reduced to sulfur. This is what we call it as redox. Now further, कनेक्शन लॉस हो गया, जो दोबारा आ गया जो इन Yes, now further studying about this redox, what is being told? Oh, you are coming very late. Loss of hydrogen and loss of oxygen. Yes, it was told earlier. Oxidation is a process where oxygen is added, hydrogen is lost, electron is lost. So reduction is a process where just opposite of that. Reduction reaction is the one where hydrogen is added, oxygen is lost, or electron is added. So every chemical reaction will be having, if it is redox, it will be having both oxidation and reduction. Now let's take the concept of electronic concept, that is transfer of electrons. The transfer of electrons means you have studied in your 9th standard. Let's say sodium reacts with chlorine, we will be getting sodium chloride. You have studied this ionic bond. Last year you have studied about this. So what we can take it as
sodium mic is off.
Mic is off.
Sir, please unmute your mic.
Okay. On, it is on only. Yes, you want? Mic is off. माइक चालू नहीं हो रहा
तो सबके नेटवर्क में नहीं आ रहा है, नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा है, किसी में नहीं सुन रहा है।
Sir, please unmute your mic.